Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kevin Keys. For the new members, you're always welcome to my channel. For the oldies, thank you so much for being here and you're always welcome back. So today we are going to do a Sukuma Wiki recipe, or Kales or collard greens as you call it. Today we are actually going to do a Sukuma Wiki recipe, collard greens, or how do people call it? Some call it Kales, Sukuma Wiki, collard greens. Yeah, so that is what we're gonna need. Tomatoes. I'm actually going to use 2 of them. Then we have onions. I've used 2 as well. Then we have 2 red barbed onions, and then I have Royco cubes. People actually, I do love Royco cubes in my sukuma or the kales or collard greens, depends on how you call it. So I'll be needing 2 of the curry powders, of the Royco cubes. I'm used to using curry powders in almost all my stews, so today I was actually thinking I'm doing a stew. Yeah, we also have the chili flakes, as I was telling you, and then we have salt. Yeah, we'll actually be needing salt as well. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start our preparation.
A few moments later.
So now that our oil is actually heated up, I'll go straight ahead and add in my onions. So as I had said on my other video, or my most recent video, I'm not sure which video I had said, but then I have different ways of cutting my onions. Yeah, so you can cut them into different shapes, maybe halves, maybe do it in circles, or dice them as I've done for my sukuma. It will depend. It will actually depend with what I'm cooking. So same case goes with my tomatoes right here. I actually at times do blend my tomatoes, or at times I just cook with them as they are. I don't unskin them. I know some of us don't like the skinned tomatoes, so they end up peeling them before using. Well, in this case I'm not going to do that, and I've never actually done that. So I use my tomatoes as it is, with the peel. I don't know whether I should call it a peel or what, but it will all depend on you, the way you want them. So I won't let my onions actually turn into dark brown, but I let them brown a little before adding in my tomatoes. So guys, tell me, what do you do with your sukumas? Do you actually prefer your mama mboga to do them for you, or you do them on your own? Well, in my case, I don't like cutting to sukuma. I don't like it at all. I feel as if I'll cut my hands while doing that. So I prefer them done for me at the kibanda. That's actually what we call it here, kibanda, or the store, or the market. Yeah, so it will all depend on you, the way you want it. So even, but what I do after, I usually do rewash them I do rewash them. After I've taken them, I do rewash. So I don't know what you do. As for me, as you can see, I've rewashed them, and it doesn't have water at all. I actually ensure that the water is completely drained. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, my onions are already turning goldish. I don't want them to turn more darker, so I'll go straight ahead and add in my tomatoes. Better guys, do you know you're supposed to pass your tomatoes or your onions or your coriander through this place? Well, me, I rarely do, so I won't lie to you guys. As I said, it all depends on you and how you like yours done. And I also said we all have different ways of cooking sukuma, of which I'll actually be teaching you the different ways of cooking sukuma, of which this is actually a part 1 of my sukuma recipe or my kales recipe. So I'll go ahead and add in salt. As I have said, do it as per your taste. As per me, napima na macho. Yeah. So I let that cook for a while so that iweze kubondeka, well smashed. Yeah. You have to let that cook for, let's give it approximately maybe 3 minutes and see if it will be done as per what you want, or you should add some more time. Yeah.
A few moments later.
So guys, let's just give it a quick check and see how far these are grown. Yeah, so our tomatoes are actually good. Actually, the reason why I like blending tomatoes is so that I don't have this, like I don't have them just, I don't know how I'll explain that, but then I hope you guys understand me. So we'll go straight ahead into adding our sukuma or our kale. We'll go straight ahead into, we actually don't need this water. I don't like my tomatoes with my sukuma with water. I like them dry, like so dry. So let's go ahead and turn them. This handle has actually turned, it has become too hot to hold. But then, who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Actually used to see my grandma hold the pots or sufurias with bare hands, even while using the mawitatu, and she never feared heat. So let me also pretend I'm a pro in that sector, holding hot things. But then guys, I also don't like my sukuma overcooked. I don't like my sukuma overcooked. Yeah. So we'll give them just some few more stars. Like you're stirring them. You keep on doing it for it to mix so well. Then I'll go ahead and garnish it with my cubes. I'll do it with cubes. If only you guys were here. Actually, if I cook my sukuma or my kales with tomatoes, it definitely means that whatever I'll be using, whatever I'll be eating it with as a supplement doesn't have tomatoes. It's either fried or maybe I'm having mala. Yeah, so we go straight ahead into adding the chili flakes. You just use a little. Yeah, so we set that aside. Then stir it a little. Then we're done. So from here I'll go straight ahead into serving it into a plate. Actually, I'll turn off my gas because I'm actually done. Yeah, so let's do the serving. So we'll do the serving. I won't show you what I'm going to eat with this. I'll do it maybe next time. But for now, we were doing specifically Sukuma Wiki. So no additives. Like I won't be showing you anything else apart from this. Oh, I wish you guys should feel or get the aroma coming from this meal. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sparing your time to watch my video till the end. And for the new members, thank you so much for sparing your time to come watch my video. If you are new, kindly do subscribe. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up.